This video is using the problem solving strategy of working backwards. Sometimes you have sort of information at the end of the problem and you need to sort of unravel that and work back towards the beginning to find out the solution. So here's an example of a question where you need to go backwards. What number belongs in the start circle of this flowchart? So we take a number, we don't know what it is, we divide by 2, we subtract 5, multiply by 8, and we get 32. So the simplest way of working this one out is to actually undo each of those operations and go backwards until we get to the beginning. So you might have heard the phrase before, inverse operations. You've got the 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And addition and subtraction are inverse operations. They undo each other. So if you have 4 plus 6 is 10, to undo that you can go 10, take away 6 will give you 4. So that's what we call inverse operations. And you should have studied that last year, hopefully. So we use that to work out go backwards in this example. So instead of multiplying by 8, we divide by 8. So actually start at the end, start with 32. 32 divided by 8 is 4. I think the answers are under here. 32 divided by 8 is 4. And then we add 5, so we get 4 plus 5 is 9. And then we multiply by 2 because we originally divided. So 9 times 2 is 18. So the start number is 18. You can also check this by taking this number and plugging it in. So if I start with 18, I divide by 2, I get 9. I subtract 5, I get 4. I multiply by 8 and I get 32. So it actually does work. The answer in this case is 18, and I got it by working backwards. So I hope that you find practice at working backwards is helpful to you.